2006 Saab 93 Aero with the 2.8 oil pressure switch replacement. All you need to take off, I took off a little extra, but I realize it now. You take the air box off, the pipe that comes here, right to here. There's two T25s right here. See them? Sorry for the lighting. Take those off, and you'll take the pipe off. That goes to the box, and that for extra room. That's all you need. Then, if you look, let's see there. This pipe right here, the air conditioning line, right underneath it, and you'll see the little piece sticking out, is the switch right here. I had to reach in with my left hand, do the switch clip, pull it out. It came off really easy. Then, what I did is I purchased from Amazon this oil pressure switch. It's a little longer. It fits right over it. It's a 27. You'll take and on that air conditioning hose right there, you'll reach over to this way, the furthest as it bends down. You want to lift that up so this will slide under, and you can get your ratchet with extension on. What I did is I put socket on first, extension, clicked it in, and then I reached in with my hand and pushed the button to get the ratchet on there, broke it loose, spun the rest with the hand. Once you have that piece bent out, you can literally get your thumbs and fingers in there to undo it. So I'm going to put it back together step by step and try to show you what you need. I did replace over here, or remove over here, the mass airflow sensor and then the tube going to the turbo, but I didn't need to at all. It's a waste of time. Put some grease on it, put the O-ring on. Let's see if we can see if I can get in there. Just squeeze it in, put my thumb over the kind of got to feel around for it, but you can feel the teeth kind of grab. Just be careful. All right, we spun that on, so now I'll put this back on. And again, you just put your thumb over the hose and So there, and you can actually finger tighten it more. Bam. Now, this on the end of the socket. Now you can see it down there sticking out. Flick the ratchet on, make sure it's set for tight, and go in and do your best to get it to click. I'm going to turn the shaft, boom, we got it in. Back out. There's that. There she is. She's on there. Now, so put it back together. There's the, go in one more time for the wire here. Plug it in. And of course you do all this blind, which really sucks. And like the shark fins on the top. Bingo, clicks on. All right, and the rest just goes back together. I did not have to undo this. I mean, it's just right there. It's my hands. I am 5'6", 257. So I do have pudgy fingers, but they're small. That's probably, yeah, I don't know. They are smaller hands and forearms. Good luck, everyone. This is the oil switch socket. Got it on Amazon. I will put a link in